oh no, there's going to be a lot of me in Zoom. Now, one of the really cool things that you can do with sharing your screen is you have the ability to have a whiteboard. So if I click on share screen, you can see that I can select the whiteboard and click share. And what it's going to give you is not only me, but you're also going to have a screen where you can write on. So that's going to be really useful in regards to, I don't know, yeah. So I think that in regards to maths, it's going to be really useful, or even some form of brainstorming, or I don't know, but I just think it could be really great. And again, when you want to come out of it, you just click on stop share and you come back to where you are. Simple as that.